My KitchenAid wall oven has a F1E0 error code, saying replace oven UI.
What happened just before your KitchenAid oven displayed this message?
The power company came to replace the power meter. Therefore, they shut down the power for a few minutes. I guess it was the reason.
How long has this been going on with your KitchenAid oven? What have you tried so far?
I shut down the power overnight. When I turn it on this morning, the error is still there.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello, I would be happy to help you. Do you have the model number?
KEBS 277 SWH00.
Okay, thanks. With my experience, this means the main control is faulty unfortunately and will need to be replaced. You will need to order and replace this part number WPW10119142. It is located behind the control panel. You can order it from appdepot.com, repairclinic.com or even Amazon to save you money. Copy and paste this link. It will look different but it comes apart the same way. https://u2.b/8gz3y. Are you still there?
It is very clear. I will give it a try. Thanks.
You are welcome. I'm sorry for your trouble. If you need any more information or help, let me know. My username is You. Have a great day. Please don't forget to rate me. You may have to log into the app or JustAnswer.com to rate me.
Will do. You have been in number 55357 and number 56397.
Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated.
Hi Austin, I just replaced the control board. But still get the same replace UI error.
That's very unusual. The only other thing that would cause this is the display board WPW10312205.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.